I first heard about the ISC at the beginning of this century after attending the Western Pacific Congress of Chemotherapy and Infectious Disease, or WestPAC, in Hong Kong in 2000. I discovered that this august international body was actually the global partner and, in a way, the parent organization of WPSC. It was a great discovery as I went on to enjoy meetings in Durban, Manila, San Diego, and Taipei. In addition to those meetings, which are now a distant memory in this pandemic world we live in, and the journals IJAA and JGA, which helped me learn the ropes of being involved behind the scenes of a major scientific publication. Perhaps more importantly, it was the people that made the ISC, that made ISAC special. Through the ISC, and of course now ISAC, I got to know people like Kurt Naber, Tetsuro Matsumoto, Joichi Kumazawa, and Victor Lim, who also introduced me to the Asian Association of UTIs and STDs, which is a really fun group of urologists, ID physicians, and microbiologists. I still remember when a young colleague of ours was taken off a plane in Frankfurt trying to get home from New York to Singapore and put in a high security biocontainment facility just because he turned out to have SARS. The Singapore hospital leaders wanted to visit him, but had limited contacts in Germany. So I picked up the phone and called Kurt Naber, who put his team in touch with Pramod Shah, who was really very helpful. I never imagined we'd be dealing with SARS-CoV-2 17 years later. Now, as president of the Asia Pacific Society of Clinical Microbiology and Infection, which is the new name for WestPAC, I am grateful to ISAC for their support, in particular for logistics and our website, which is due to come online this month. Many meetings have come and gone. In fact, more have gone in the past year, but ISAC has reinvented itself a number of times, and I have no doubt that this society will continue to adapt to the post-pandemic world in time for the next pandemic.